Bonjour Suzanne Pinel.
Bonjour. Bonne fête du Canada.
Bonne fête, oui. Hein? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Canada and all of us.
Suzanne Pinel, je me souviens de vous, moi, comme artiste, avec le personnage Marie-Soleil.
Exactement. Avec tous nos trésors d'enfants qui ont grandi. Certains ici sont avec leurs petits garçons, leurs petites filles. C'était adorable.
And can I ask you, what is a citizenship judge?
A citizenship judge is a person who has the immense privilege and honor of sort of receiving all permanent residents of Canada who have chosen to make their life in our Canadian family. Then I make sure that everything is okay so that they can feel that they can belong and share our responsibilities and have all our privileges. And when that is done, we have a beautiful citizenship ceremony like we've just had this morning. This morning, 75 new persons coming from 38 different countries around the world became Canadian citizens. Yay!
Et là, c'est important d'être citoyen canadien, mais c'est important aussi de réaffirmer notre allégeance au Canada.
Exactement. Alors souvent, on n'a pas la chance de s'arrêter pour penser à comment on est chanceux de vivre dans un beau pays libre, où chacun de nous, on fait une différence. Alors aujourd'hui, on va avoir la chance de se lever, s'arrêter quelques secondes pour dire oui, je veux continuer à vivre mes responsabilités, puis peut-être à bénéficier de tout ce que le Canada nous offre. And I've got a nice story for you. We received a letter. Do you have brothers and sisters here that are kind to you? We all do. Well, there is that sister by the name of Sherry. And she wrote a letter about her older or younger sister named Tracy. See, Tracy went to China and chose a beautiful daughter. And this is Ran Xu. And Ran Xu came to live with mom and her aunt and her dad, Mike, since last August. Now, also at the same time, now they're from Kincardine in Ontario. At the same time, they met a mom from Moose Jaw named Kim. And Kim chose also a beautiful daughter. Can you say your name real loud?
Channing.
Yeah, that's it, Channing. And Channing is 4. Oh, by the way, Ran Xu not only got the gift of mom and dad, she got a gift of a big sister. Can you say your name?
Maya.
That is it. Now, it just so happened that when Tracy read about this happening in this park in Ottawa, she said, I would love to be part of it and have my daughter reaffirmed. And her friend Kim said the same thing. So, because of your sister and the beautiful Canadian family gathered here, your wish is coming true. At this moment, are you ready to reaffirm with us? Alors, vous êtes prêts à réaffirmer?
Oui, et je pense que tout le monde est prêt à réaffirmer son allégeance.
Alors, j'invite tous les citoyens canadiens réunis ici en cette très belle journée à se lever. Tous ceux qui veulent réaffirmer leur sentiment d'appartenance à notre pays. I would like to invite all Canadian citizens gathered here on this, our 141st birthday, to stand. All those who want to reaffirm their commitment to Canada. Please stand. Raise your right hand. And repeat after me. I affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Canada, her heirs and successors, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Canada and fulfill my duties as a Canadian citizen. J'affirme solennellement que je serai fidèle et que je porterai sincère allégeance à Sa Majesté, la Reine Élisabeth II, Reine du Canada, à ses héritiers et successeurs, et que j'observerai fidèlement les lois du Canada et remplirai loyalement mes obligations de citoyen canadien. Félicitations, congratulations. Now, at each ceremony, we need music, a celebration. So I invite you all to compete with all the music from the hill and sing with all your heart in the language of your choice, our national anthem. Avec le Canada en notre cœur, chantons dans la langue de votre choix notre hymne national. At a citizenship ceremony, you get a certificate. Well, today you can get one too. On your flag is written the website. On that website, for the next few weeks, you can download your reaffirmation citizenship certificate. Alors, il s'agit de visiter le site qui est écrit sur votre drapeau canadien et vous pourrez ainsi vous imprimer votre certificat de réaffirmation. Thank you so much. And thank you, Tracy. It's been a beautiful day. Bonne fête du Canada. Happy Canada Day.
Merci beaucoup, Suzanne Pinel. Vous avez toujours une aussi belle voix. Restez des nôtres dans environ une cinquantaine de minutes. Nous allons avoir à 14h ici un cercle, une table ronde où est-ce qu'on va avoir des auteurs, compositeurs, interprètes. That's called the Maple Leaf Song Circle. And some artists will be performing a song on the 6-string Nation guitar. And this is a special guitar. You can see the display there. The guitar it's a fabulous guitar made with a lot of artifacts from Canada. And they're going to be performing. And these artists are Garnet Rogers, Murray McLaughlin,